I am on a buy trade on V100 index, and you can see I'm moving in good profits. I intend holding this trade for days, right? I'm swinging this trade, so I was able to predict the buys at this point. You can see I'm moving in good profit. The trade is moving nicely well, so I was able to predict these buys on this index. So firstly, I went to the daily time frame, right, and so that this index has been on a downtrend, like it has been on a decline for a very long time. It's been trending to the downside, so I identified this market structure on the daily time frame. I spotted the daily time frame trends. We have this trend resistance at this zone and our trend support at this point, right? So I identified this market structure on the daily time frame and spotted the market key levels and zones. We have our level of resistance at this point and our level of support at this zone, which got broken, turned resistance. Price bought on this level as a support. When we zoom in, you can see this clearly that we got the buys at this level as a support, got broken resistance. It sells a downside resistance here, it sells a downside. So price directly on this level as a resistance. So this level was once a support, now turned resistant, a support at this point, support at this zone. Then we have this current support level at this zone that got broken and retested. This was a support level here, got broken, retested. Then we got the sales downside. So I spotted these levels and zones on the daily time frame and went to the 4-hour time frame so that we had a zone at which price has been consolidating at. Identify this zone and so that price has been trading inside of this box, has been creating equal highs and equal lows. We would say the consolidating market. Price has been consolidating at this point before it got to the breakout to the upside. And on this breakout, we had a level, the consolidation resistance level at the zone, or which price retested on after the breakout. We had the breakout basically. We had the breakout at this point, the breakout, the retest, and in the buys to the upside. And every consolidation, we surely get a breakout. It's either to the upside or to the downside. And we got the breakout here to the upside. Then on the revisit of this level, I was expecting a possible reversal on this index at this point. This level of hard trading activities on, right? I expected a possible market reaction on this level, and we got the first reaction basically as a support. Price reaction on this level as a support, the buys to the upside. The second time, the buys to the upside. So I was like, if price can come back to this same level it bought twice from, it's likely to buy the third time from this level. And we can see that price actually bought the third time when it got to this level, right? So I waited for a couple of confirmations to take these buys on this index, and we had a trend basically. Always emphasize on trend lines, always spot the market trends. It would give you a guide to the market direction. We had this downtrend, and we can see that there was a break of trend at this zone. Price was in a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows, which got broken at this point. So on the breakout of this trend, I was expecting a retest of this level. Like there was a breakout here, so this breakout was actually from the test of this level as a support. So on the breakout of this level, I was expecting a retest of this identified level the third time for the buys. And we have a level of resistance, basically a level I'm watching out for. That's my target level because we got price react on this level as a support here, got broken resistance, and we got multiple market reaction on this level as a resistance. So price is likely to move to this level, price likely to buy to this same resistance level to sell from it. So that's my target level on this index. Identify the market structure, spotted the levels and zones we had, right? And I'm moving in good profit basically. I took this buy trade of this index by spotting a level of support. I wanted for price to come out to the level to take the buys on it with a couple of confirmations, right? So on the 1 hour time frame, we got this mini downtrend. So I spotted this downtrend as well and waited for price to break out of this downtrend, to break above it to take the buys. We can also call it a descending channel, and descending channel are reversal patterns as well. So we got this descending channel at this point. It approached this level of support, so we are likely to get the reversal on the approach of this level. All I did was wait for the breakout for the buys on this index. And on the 15-minute time frame, we had a formation, a bullish reversal formation. This is an inverted head and shoulders pattern. I spotted as well. So we got the left shoulder formation at this point. We got the left shoulder here, right? We got the head at this level, and we got the right shoulder formation, which I was anticipating to get the buys on. So on this right shoulder formation, we had a level basically. We had this neckline of this reversal pattern formation. We had the neckline at this zone. I didn't really wait for the breakout of this neckline to take the buys because I knew that price is likely to break out massively on the approach of this level. So this is an inverted head and shoulders pattern formation, a bullish reversal pattern formation. So the buy is expected to this level of resistance. We also had a reversal pattern on a lower time frame, the 5-minute time frame. we had this inverted head and shoulders pattern as well, which gave me more confirmations for the buy. So we got the left shoulder here, the head, and the right shoulder. This head was actually the right shoulder formation we saw on the higher time frame, on the 15-minute time frame. This now formed as the head on the 5-minute time frame, the head of this pattern formation. So I took the buys at this level and waited for the breakout, right? So we got the massive buys to the upside. So that was how I was able to take the buys on this index. I'll be taking partials on this trade. I'll be closing some positions and I'm moving my stop loss above my entry to stay safe in the trade while I hold this trade to run up to this target level. I'll be setting my TP level at this point. My first TP is likely to be at this point, this level, because we got market reaction on this level as a resistance here. When you move the chart, you can tell that market is reacting on this level as a resistance here. So we're likely to get price react on this same level as a resistance. So this is my first TP level, and my second TP level as well as my last TP level would be at this point. So that's it, guys. That's how I was able to take the trade on V100 index. Press my like button for more trade reviews like this and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel and to my Tony viewers. I appreciate your support for this engaging my videos. Show me so guys. Let's do more and have enough today.